Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these grab bar handles on a Jeep Wrangler TJ. So you got these two bolts right here. They're both T40. It's the same for the other side. So all you have to do is take them out. So I got the two bolts out. So then you're gonna grab your thing and just put it up in there, and the bolt holes should kind of line up. You may have a little bit of an issue with this plastic trim piece, just letting you guys know. That top one up there, perfect, lines up, but you kind of have to kind of finagle it and kind of push with the bar in your hand on it right there to kind of give it some room so the bolt can actually slide in. So I'm going to do that right now and talk to you guys in a second. So I got them installed now. I mean, it's very simple. I got these from Extreme Terrain. If you're new to the Jeep world and you don't know where to get good parts, or you need a website or something like that that'll give you a list of everything you want, go to Extreme Terrain. I'll actually link it down below. I'm not sponsored. This isn't sponsored at all. But I really like their stuff because it's just an app you download on your phone. You get what type of Jeep? Like 4 liter, or it's like anything for like TJs. It could be the 2.4, whatever it is, or the 4 liter inline 6. It's every single Jeep, even Tacomas are on there. And it just gives you interior, exterior, exhaust, seats, steering wheels. Like, it gives you everything. So that's where I got these from, and they're friggin' awesome, dude. They're a huge upgrade because I got handles, like regular handles like this. And those are nice. These are custom made from some guy on Instagram. But those are really nice, you know, when you're driving. But for getting into this thing, it is quite nice. I already got the other one installed on the other side. And let me tell you, it's really nice. Because with these, it hangs really low. And it's just not in the right spot to really help you get into the vehicle. And usually, because I got side steps on mine, I'll hop up and I'll grab on the inside and stand up fully on the step and then kind of tuck myself into the car. But with this, you can just grab onto it with your whatever hand and then just kind of pick up, put the foot on the step, slide right in. So before I got these, I'd do this. I'd walk up, I'd grab onto this right here, and then I'd stand up like this, and then I'd get in, which takes a lot of time and it's kind of annoying. And then to get out, I'd like do this, grab onto this and slide out. But now with these, I can just grab here and just slide right in like that. It's awesome. And they're friggin' sturdy, dude. And they're not really like in the way when you're driving. I haven't drove with them yet. I just installed them, obviously, but from what I can tell, with it being all black, it just kind of blends in with that A-pillar. So it doesn't really like obscure your view at all. It doesn't even, if you're sitting like this, it doesn't even like come over the glass. It's perfect. It's kind of angled. If you're looking at it straight from where the roll cage is at, it's kind of angled like at like a 45. More like probably like 20, 25 degrees. It's angled just slightly so this bottom part goes in. But then to get out, look at that. Just grab right there, pull yourself straight out. These are friggin' awesome. I recommend, if you guys want a nice little upgrade, I recommend getting those. Pretty sweet. Just look at them, man. They look awesome. Like, it's such a cool upgrade. Looks awesome, especially when you can see the other one on the other side. That's what I'm talking about. So if you're looking at it straight like that, it's kind of angled a little bit, which is pretty nice, because if you're sitting here like this, like let's say this is, you know, like a actual POV. This is about eye level right now. This thing is not even in the way, like at all. This is like eye level, not in the way at all. And that one's not in the way either of that mirror. That's super flippin' dirty. And that's super nice. And these are going to be really nice to have because my buddy of mine that was in the last video, Jacob. He just, like, most people just like grab onto the A-pillar like right on the outside, or they'll grab onto this. This is a really nice upgrade. I recommend any of you guys that want this, go to Extreme Terrain. They're not a sponsor, but I like their stuff. This isn't an Extreme Terrain product. Like, they don't produce stuff. It's basically just like all Jeep stuff, and then it'll tell you if it fits for your Jeep. It's pretty awesome. You guys should go and download it. Sorry. If you guys are new to the Jeep world, it's fantastic. My buddy showed it to me, and that's where I've gotten all my stuff. It's freaking sweet. Just look at that, man. Such a cool upgrade. So with that being said, ain't got much more. I'll probably be talking about these in another video and telling you guys kind of how I like them more. But for right now, these are pretty sweet. GrabBarUSA.com. You can get them from the actual manufacturer if you want, but I like Extreme Terrain. They give you good prices. They give you good shipping. I ordered these on Sunday, and it was free 3-day shipping, and it said it was going to show up on Thursday, of this week, and they showed up today, which today is Wednesday, which is awesome. But yeah, just look at that. It's just, oh my God. Just make sure to really tighten those down. Just another reminder, just to really make sure you tighten those down so they're really nice and tight. I mean, it does flex a little bit, obviously, because the point and where it's connected is up here, so it's going to flex a little bit. But if you're just grabbing onto that, you're good. God, that's going to be nice. I think they're really good for off-road, is what they said, too, for, like, extreme off-roading. Let's say you got the top on, you really can't wrap your hand around the roll cage like this, and you don't really want to use your handle like that. That's really nice because you can grab onto that in the passenger, too. And then you got a good grip to hold on to when you're off-roading and stuff like that. When the boats are rocking, don't come a-knocking. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Make sure to keep having fun.